Hey guys, I want to show you a quick and easy way to get an extra 500 COD points for Black Ops 4. And the way you do this is just download the brand new Call of Duty Companion app that they released today. Here's what it looks like on an Android phone if you go to Google Play, and it's about 68 megabytes, so not too huge. Once you have the app on your phone, just open it, and I'll show you guys how to link up your account so you can get that 500 COD points added to it. Here's the app running from my phone, and all you have to do is click the login if you already have a profile and everything set up, and then choose the platform that you want to link it to. I'm on PlayStation, so I just clicked on that. And then from there, you want to enter in the email address that's associated with that profile on that console. After this, you may have to do a CAPTCHA verification just by choosing pictures that they want you to choose. And then after that, it should be completely set up. It'll take you into the intro screens, just giving you an idea of what all this app can offer you. And it's actually pretty cool. There's a couple of really cool things that I do like about it, and I'll show you guys all of that. It can give you live action reports after you play a game, and it gives you tips on how you can do better. The next thing I really like, and it is squads, and they give you these objectives where you and your squad can complete them and earn rewards. It can also show you your weekly stats and combat record, and it's for multiplayer, blackout, and also zombies, which is awesome. And one of the last things that they're going to be adding in the future but they don't have right now is custom loadouts that you can set up straight from your phone. There's some buttons on the bottom that allow you to go to different sections. So the home screen is going to give you message of the day, allow you to go to your action report and show you how many friends are online. Under the Intel button down at the bottom, it's going to show you recent games that you played, and if you click on it, it will tell you how you did, and it will give you tips on how you can do better. It will even tell you how to set up your loadout as far as like perks and elixirs and everything. Activision did report that there are some errors going around with this app right now. It is brand new, and for me, it's really errored out. It's not showing anything accurate as far as recent gameplay. In this recent match, it said I only got like 1 kill, and I did horrible. And down at the bottom, it's telling me to use different types of perks and elixirs, and this might actually be something to consider and see what these combinations do and how well they work. Under the feed section, it's going to give you articles you can read about the different maps, and right here I click on Blood of the Dead, and it gives me kind of an overview of the map and talks about everything that's going on within it and the storyline. Certainly might be interesting to check out. There might be hiding some clues in there. The next section you can go to down at the bottom is ops, and this is what I really like. This is where you can have squad objectives, and right here you can even vote for what you want to try to complete. I'll show you guys more about the squads in a moment if you haven't ever seen that, and I think you can have a maximum of 20 people in it. So right here I'm going to vote for get 4,000 combined kills in multiplayer. The rewards for these objectives can start being earned on November 7th. If you click on the rewards tab, you can see the progress of your squad and what all they've earned. And the rewards for Black Ops 4 right now are a Ride-em tag and also 20% off of thumbsticks from Control Freak. Still under the ops tab, you go to squads, and this is where you can build your squad if you don't have one. You have the option to search one or leave a squad. If you leave, it gives you the option to make your own. Again, I think you can have a maximum of 20 people on your squad, and I don't have anybody on mine yet, so I'm definitely going to be building that list up soon. So once you download the app onto your phone, you want to again link the profile of the gamer profile that you want the COD points on, then go sign into that platform, and as soon as you sign in, you're going to see this 500 COD points offer redemption show up. Just click OK and you're done. I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!